Asa mo tamang sa...
My role model.
Wala akong isalita.
Guide me with your wisdom and guidance.
Manghihi tabi.
Showing me what is strong, compassionate, and true to oneself. Watching you grow into the strong, passionate, and a beautiful woman you are today has been a privilege. You've worked hard to achieve your dreams, and today you found someone who complements and completes you. I see eyes lights up when you look at David, and I know that he makes you incredibly happy.
Mauli ang tama
I'm
na.
so grateful that you found someone who sees in you. But I always know
Sabihin
that
mo.
you are extraordinary person, deserving of life, love, and this world. Feel. Hello, feeling. To feeling, you are incredibly lucky to have found someone as wonderful as my sister. She's not just an amazing sister, but also a loyal friend, a caring spouse, and someone who
Tanawa da akong tiyan, Bel. Okay ra, tanawa akong tiyan. Di ako. Yung malaking tiyan mo, hindi ba pangit?
adventure and endlessness.
Pampuputok nga ba?
As you embark on this journey together, I want to wish you both nothing but joy, understanding, and a love that grows stronger with each passing day. Marriage is a beautiful partnership, and no doubt that the two of you will support each other through every challenge, celebrate every triumph, and always find reason to smile. To my sister Nora, thank you for being you. Thank you for all the moments you've shared and for all the love you've given me throughout our lives. I'm so proud of the woman you've become, and I'm excited to see where this path takes you. Here's the lifetime of love, laughing and happiness. Happy